Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear and a cool song here from SIENNA SPIRO. His Not My Baby, I'm His, okay? So, SIENNA, cool singer, songwriter, young British artist, often compared to Lana Del Rey. I can see that, of course. This kind of vintage aesthetic and cool song style. So yeah, another cool song from SIENNA. Let's go and check it out. We have the capo on third, absolute best scenario, and yeah, with that, 4 chords. Before we move on with this tutorial, I want to highlight my new channel. It's called Gruvgear 6 Strings Ago. It's similar to this. I will be there playing for you, but this time on that channel, I'm gonna play a full song for you from A to Z, chords shown, a full playthrough. I'm not gonna speak anything. You just follow along and learn a full song. That's a good deal. So help me out there, guys. If you want to thank me for something, you go and subscribe to that channel and support that. So thank you. Now let's move on with that setup. Keep on third, 4 chords. Let's go through the chords together. We're gonna start with the A minor. So that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is G, and that will be third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. F, which is a bar chord, you place any string like this, crossing all strings on the first fret, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. And finally, we have the E minor. Open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. So we're gonna play that chord progression through the entire song, and we have a strumming pattern. It's a pretty long one, and I'm gonna give you first the kind of beat-based strumming pattern, which I prefer for the song, but you can play just with downs and ups as well. So we're gonna come to that. First, the beat, and it goes like this. Okay, this is my interpretation of how I would play this song. Obviously, this is not a guitar song in that way, but you can still perform it, and this is the closest thing in my opinion. So, I'm gonna start with down, down, clap. Okay, so downs, 2 downs, and clap. And then comes down, up, down. And then you're gonna finish off with down, clap, clap, down. So clap down and then there. So all in all, down, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. Okay, so together a couple of rounds. Okay. And the other version, you're gonna replace that clap with a down instead, and that's it. So it will be down, 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 up, down, down, down. And that downs, that really replaces the claps. I really prefer if you can play that on a really higher string down here. Okay, so it goes, if that makes sense. Bass, bass, top. And one string around with that will be couple of rounds. Now to the playing, and you're gonna play the chords in the same way as we learned them. So A minor, G, F, and E minor. You're gonna play one of these string rounds per chord, and that just keeps on rolling through the entire song like this. Alright guys, SIENNA's He's Not My Baby, I'm His. Beautiful song. Give it a shot. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.